The smartest corporate professionals don't quit with a big announcement. They live quietly, strategically, with a plan. And then they build their next chapter with calm confidence. In this video, I'll show you the quiet, structured blueprint to transition from corporate life into your own business without chaos, noise, or risk. Most people leave corporate with frustration, they quit emotionally, they quit loudly. They quit without a plan and then they scramble. This creates stress, pressure, and poor decisions. Quiet professionals live differently. With patience and structure. The quiet escape philosophy is simple. You build the next stage quietly while still employed. You test ideas quietly. You build confidence quietly. You stack wins quietly. You move when you're ready, not when you are desperate. The first step is clarity. Your skills. Your experience. Your strengths. What have you done for years holds more value than you think. A quiet audit of your capability shows you exactly where your business can start. Look for problems professionals pay to solve. Efficiency, clarity. Productivity, career growth. Business fundamental. Your niche emerge where your strengths meet real demand. You don't need a full business on one day. You need a minimum viable offer. One problem, one solution. One simple offer, quiet, clear, valuable. Before scaling, build proof. a case study, a testimony. A smart result, a helpful guide. A simple digital product. Quiet proof builds trust without noise. You don't need 5 hours a day. You need consistency. One hour before work. 30 minutes after. Weekends for deep work. Quiet blocks create big progress. Quiet transitions and reckless. You build a base income first. Not equal to your salary, but enough to reduce pressure. When your confidence rises, your exit becomes calm, not chaotic. When it's time to leave, you don't need a dramatic exit. You resign professionally. Calmly, privately. And step into your new chapter with confidence and clarity. The quiet transition plan is simple. Assess your skills. Build your offer. Create proof. Work in small blocks. Replace income. Exit calmly. This is the blueprint professionals use to build a business. Quietly and powerfully. You don't need noise to change your life. You need clarity, structure, and patience. If you're building your next chapter quietly, subscribe for more calm, strategic videos like this.